Hey guys, this is Power Dog. So today I'm going to paint this fan and clean it because last video I said I'd probably do that, and we're gonna do that today. So I don't know if this is primer or gray spray paint, but it shouldn't be too difficult if I just sand it off, and I'm gonna cover this with newspaper so I don't have to remove it. Alright, let's just begin. Okay everyone, so the fan has been removed from the ceiling. You can see the original color down here. There's all the wiring, all connectors, and yeah. So this is going to be really easy. All I need to do is rub off all of this to get the surface smooth, and then dust it, and then paint it, and we'll be set. So I'm going to begin. Okay everyone, so I painted it. I'm not sure what I did wrong, if I didn't shake the paint up or what, but we have a bumpy texture down there. I did sand it and it was very smooth when I was finished, so I'm not too sure what's causing it, but much better than before. I put paint on the shaft. I put tape on the shaft so I wouldn't paint it. It gives it more of a factory look because this is not supposed to be painted. I did get some paint on the windings, but the windings have a coating over them, so it's not like I just painted the bare copper. Yeah. I see most places look really good, and I'm going to leave this for about maybe an hour, and then I'll reassemble it and leave it to dry. See you then. Well everyone, started raining, but luckily I already brought it inside, so I'm just gonna hurry up and get back inside. I'm gonna reassemble it. It's been about an hour, so I'm just gonna hurry up and finish this. So let's assemble it. Okay everyone, it's done. It looks pretty nice. I already did a full speed video, so I'm only going to turn it on for a bit, but it looks very nice now. I also put something in the center here. These are very sharp, so I need to cut these off. But for now, this is just how it is. Cleaned off the blades and the grill. They were covered in dust. That's how it's looking now. I'll put it on high speed. And it's raining like crazy. And I should have painted the brackets. I didn't. I obviously took this from a different fan. It says Accutech. It's from I just took the center of an Accutech thing and put it onto this grill. Anyway, this was Power Dog. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.